So right now, I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna check into our hotel room. It's a little bit different than how we've done it in the past. We don't have an actual little card. This time, we're gonna do it from our phone. So let me show you guys how we're gonna check into our room with the keyless entry that we have right here in our hand. So come with me. In the app, we're gonna go to the MGM app. Then there's a button in the middle that says digital key. So I'm gonna touch that, and then it's going to load, and then we're gonna hold it right here in front of the door, and it's gonna verify, and it says access granted. Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
All right, so we just made it inside of our hotel room, and this is what it looks like. Got a lot of white, cream, marble background around the headboard. Looks really nice in here. Got white leather on the headboard. Looks like we got some space for some office seating so that you can get some work done. Then they have the aquarium playing on the TV, because if you did not know, Mandalay Bay also has a shark aquarium here on site that you guys can visit while you're staying here. It is not free, but at an additional cost, you guys can check it out. So why not? And there's our view. So it looks like we have a direct view of the airport right here from our room. We can also see the main entry to the hotel, which is Mandalay Bay. So yeah, we can definitely see the strip right here. The windows are a little bit dirty, so please disregard that. But as you see down below, this is where you would come in to do your check-in. They have taxis that are always waiting out front. If you don't have a rental car, you can always just walk right out of the lobby and someone will definitely pick you up and take you where you gotta go. And this view does give us a little bit of a view of MGM and Luxor, which sits right next door. So yeah, so this will be our view for the next 3 days. So as a reminder, this is a hotel room that we got through the MGM reward. This was actually a comp stay for us, which means it was free, and we actually did not have to pay anything but taxes and resort fees just for being here at the property. So keep that in mind. So if you actually pay for your rental, you may end up in a different type of room, but this one was one of the free rooms that we got through the MGM rewards, and we were able to get 3 nights free through the MGM rewards. So make sure you guys stay tuned so that I can show you how you guys can get a free night stay here at Mandalay Bay. But until then, let's continue with the room tour. So our room comes with a king size bed. We have nightstands on each side of the bed. We have lamps on those. Also have the remote to the TV. This is a king size bed, and it also has like a leather headboard. So I'm gonna go in a little bit closer, give you guys a close-up view of that so that you can see the details of the headboard that they have back there. And of course, the decor in the back is like a marble view. It's really nice decor. Then if we pan on around, you can see over here we have 3 different doors. So we're gonna open up each door so you guys can see what's behind those doors. So door number 1. Okay, door number 1, boop, is a closet, and it has our belongings in it. Okay, moving right along. All right, so door number 2 is another closet. So you have dual closets for his and her. Awesome. All right, so moving right along to door number 3. All right, so door number 3 is another door.
Huh?
Just kidding. Let's go take a look. So it looks like door number 3 is going to lead us into the bathroom area. So as you can see, there is dual vanities with a moonlit mirror. And then off to the side, you also have your bathroom with the toilet area straight ahead behind that closed door. And then if we turn over here, you can see the shower over here where it's glassed in, has a shower, some towels, everything that you need. And then also to the side, you have a tub. It looks like it's just your normal bathtub with a nice little mural on the wall. So pretty nice sized tub. Bathroom areas has really nice decor and has a lot of lighting in here, so that is a plus. And then we'll also go inside just to see what's in here. And then you have additional decor and of course your toilet. Okay, All right, so I think that's pretty much it in here. I will say the Mandalay Bay is one of the older resorts, so the decors and the amenities within the hotel are not as great as some of the other hotels and resorts that we've stayed in here off and on the strip. So those are some of the things that I've noticed since us being in here, is that, you know, it looks nice on camera, but you know, when you're here and you're actually looking at those details, you begin to see a lot of the little things and notice some of the details in the cosmetic areas, you know, within the decor. But either way, we'll be here for the next few days as we complete our tour here. And of course, as we mentioned, this room was free for us through the MGM Rewards app. So if you are a frequent traveler to Vegas, make sure you guys are utilizing that app, because there are a lot of perks with using that app. And maybe I'll give you guys some tips on how you guys can get that free room too. So make sure you stay tuned. Also within our room, as I mentioned, you have this nice big screen TV in here that's giving us a feed from the aquarium. We also have, of course, our mini bar, which it looks pretty similar to another hotel that we've stayed in, which is the Aria, which is also another one of the MGM resorts or hotels here on the strip. But as you see, they have some items here that you can indulge in at your own risk, because please be advised that anything that you take off of this little tray will deactivate and it will charge these things to your room. So that's why you have this warning there. So make sure you guys read that, because it will charge you if you take anything off, because it is a sensor that is weighted. And so of course, if you remove anything, it's going to change the weight of the scale and it will charge those things to your room. So here below there looks like is the other mini fridge, which has all of your drinkable items. So let's take a look. And it is also fully stocked with almost every drink that most people drink of. Looks like Pepsi products, and of course some of your normal and regular alcoholic beverage. I see some Tito's, some Jack Daniels, a Fireball right there, and then you also have some Bacardi and some other things that are there. And then I see some wines and some Grey Goose and Bud Light and Modelo and a whole bunch of other things. So whichever you want to indulge in, you know, they're all there. But of course, they all come with the fee, so enjoy at your own risk. But those are there for you if that is something you are interested in. All right, moving right along, you also have some extra storage space here in these drawers, which are here for your use as well. If you come and you need some storage for some of your belongings, you can definitely utilize those as well. You also have some wine glasses here and an ice bucket if you want to get ice from down the hallway. Of course, right here sitting in front of our window, we have two nice, pretty large size comfy chairs where you can just sit here, relax, you know, read a book, watch TV, you know, just relax, you know, as you're probably not looking out this window because you're sitting the other way, but you still have this nice view where you can still see the mountains and the hills off in the distance. You can see some of the airplanes taking off and just, you know, look out and see what's going on out here on the strip. As always, make sure you guys stay tuned so that we can continue to bring you the great footage of here from our channel to you guys.
Food Fun Finance, make sure you do me a slight favor, a real important favor, so we can keep this channel going, keep this channel growing. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you comment, make sure you share with your friends, make sure you're here every single Wednesday and Saturday, 7 p.m. watching these videos that we bring to you. Make sure you travel too. Let's go.